Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kirat Jamtani and today we are going to start with the second chapter of maths, that is relations and functions. So we have divided this chapter in two parts. First we'll talk about relations and then we'll talk about functions. This relation chapter video will be made in two parts. So today we are going to study the first part of this video. In first part we'll learn introduction, what is relation, then we'll study ordered pair and then we'll study Cartesian products. Once we are known to all these things, then we will be able to solve the other things. Coming on to the introduction part, see in the previous chapter, that is on sets, we discussed various operations on sets. That is how to create more sets out of the given sets. Like we were provided with set A, we were provided with set B. So we calculated A union B, we calculated A intersection B. Now in this chapter, as with the name only it is clear, relations, we will be studying one more operations. That operation is Cartesian product of the set. Before coming on to Cartesian product, we'll see what is basically ordered pairs. Now ordered pair is what? It consists of two objects or elements in a given fixed order. Let's suppose there are two sets A and B. So then by ordered pair of element, we mean, let's suppose we have an element of set A is small a and element of set B is B. So when these both elements are written in this order, one the element of set A and other the element of set B, A and B in this order once they are written, this is ordered pair. In ordered pair only we have equality of ordered pairs. Now let's suppose we are provided with two ordered pairs A1 B1, A2 B2. These two ordered pairs are equal. So this implies this A1 will be equal to A2 and B1 will be equal to B2. Coming on to question part, we have to find the values of A and B over here. Now see, this is given as in the ordered pair and these both are equal. So here we will do 3A minus 2 will be equal to 2A minus 1 and B plus 3 is equals to what? 3. So on solving it, 3A minus 2A will get A minus 1 plus 2. So A will be 1 and over here B is 0. So by the definition of equality of ordered pairs, we calculated A whose value is 1 and B whose value is 0. Coming on to next, which is Cartesian products. Now let's suppose we are provided with two sets, two non-empty sets, A and B, non-empty sets. So set of all ordered pairs A, B such that this A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. So this is called Cartesian product of the set A and B and this is denoted by A cross B. Thus, if anywhere we are provided with A cross B, this ordered set is given. So first element belongs to set A, second element will belong to second set. But yes, if A is phi, that is there is no element on set A and there is no element on set B, then A cross B will also be phi. So coming on to question is A, set A is 2, 4, 6 and set B is 1, 2. So we have to calculate A cross B. A cross B, that means we'll write first A and then B. So we'll get 2 1. This element will be multiplied to both the elements of B. So we'll get 2 1 2 2. Then 4, the second element will be multiplied with both the elements of B, second element of set A with all the elements of set B. So 4 1 4 2. Then third element, that is 6, third element of set A with all the elements of set B, 6 1 6 2. So this is A cross B. But if we have to calculate B cross A, so we'll write first B and then A. That means first element of A with all the elements of first element of B with all the elements of set A. So we'll get over here 1 2 1 4 1 6. Then 2 2 2 4 2 6. So this is how we'll calculate A cross B and B cross A. So coming on to next question, we are provided with element set A. Set A comprises of element 1 3 5. Set B comprises of elements x y. So A cross B will be 1 3 5 into x y. So their Cartesian product will be 1x 1y, 3x 3y, 5x 5y. So this is Cartesian product of A cross B. Now Cartesian product of A cross A will be, since A is 1 3 5 and again A is 1 3 5, so its Cartesian product will be 1 1 1 3 1 5, 3 1 3 3 3 5, 5 1 5 3 5 5. So in this video we studied basically how to calculate Cartesian products, what are ordered pairs with the help of this concept. In next video we will study about relations, how to represent it, then how to calculate domain, range and inverse. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.